Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. It's Wednesday, still Wednesday, August the 24th, 2022. I've already solved 2 puzzles out of 4. The Sudoku with 3 stars, the Sudoku with 4 stars, and 2 puzzles are left. The Tectonic with 4 stars, and the Binary, yes. It's binary time, and this will be number 5067. Alright, 5067. Alright, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O, between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finish in 3 minutes. Wow, this one is very quick, without any comparing, so it should be an easy one. But I like this one. Yes, it's in the flow. If you like this one, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.